Hi, class. For this week, we're going to look at supply and demand, which is an interesting concept. When we focus on supply and demand, we're going to focus on changes in prices and how those changes in prices will impact decisions that are being made in our economy. When we look at demand, demand is looking at buyers and the willingness of buyers to buy goods and services. And all types of buyers are focused on how they can create these goods and services. So you'll need to know that demand is looking at us and we reflect on us in terms of how we evaluate this. Now, when we look at a demand schedule, you'll notice it's based on a price and the quantity demanded. So as the price, as you notice here, decreases, we're going to want to buy more of the good, which makes sense, right? And as the price increases, we want to buy less. And those examples are very important because what we're focused on is we want to evaluate how changes in prices will actually create more opportunities. So think about an example that you've had where you've actually bought more when the price changed. Now, when you look at your example, you notice you're focused on a couple of different instances. And you notice that it's very important to look at how changes in the price, if your example looked at it is, if the price decreased, you buy more. If the price increased, you buy less. That's very important to evaluate in those situations. When we look at a demand schedule, that's going to show us these various prices that you should focus on in your daily life. So when you look at these differences in how you can focus things, look at how you can apply the concepts to what you're doing, as you'll find that's important. So here's a graph of what you're looking at. And if you look at this graph, you'll notice that the graph is downward sloping between the price and the quantity. So at $5, I'm going to buy 2 units. At $4, I'm going to buy 4 units. You notice I'm going to buy more as the price decreases, and that's a key concept to evaluate. In this concept, we try to apply it to ourselves and how we can look at things. So I look forward to your effort this week, and if you have any additional questions, please let me know.